My name is Tony Zhang. I'm the Chief Strategist here at OptionsPlay, and I want to show you how you can find the best yielding options trades under 2 seconds using the OptionsPlay Strategy Center here at StockCharts.com. To access the Strategy Center, you can use the dashboard by clicking on the green button at the very upper right-hand corner of your screen, or you can, under Charts and Tools, find the OptionsPlay Strategy Center under Options Tools. What the OptionsPlay Strategy Center does is it combines the best of StockCharts technical screening with OptionsPlay Strategy Center so that you can find the best yielding opportunities in under 2 seconds. I save myself hours and hours of research every single week, and this is the only tool that I use to find the best trading opportunities from an options perspective using the Strategy Center. Let's show you how to use it. When you use the Strategy Center, the first thing you want to choose is what type of scan or what type of chart list you want to use the Strategy Center with. If you're brand new to trading or if you're starting out, I suggest that you use one of our pre-built technical scans. We have trend following scans, counter trend scans, and stocks that are outperforming or underperforming the markets. And these are stocks that from a timing perspective gives you the best opportunity to take a bullish or bearish view on these particular stocks given the particular preferences that you might have. So let's take a look at bullish trend following stocks to begin with. What you can do is you can merge that with any option strategy you prefer. But let's start with a standard long call option that you can customize based on how far out you'd like to go for buying that call option, and you can specify your risk tolerance and how much risk you're willing to take on this particular trade. And in under 2 seconds, what we're doing is finding stocks that all meet our bullish trend following criteria with the best call options to buy that are customized completely to you. So for example, now that I've looked at this particular list, there are 21 stocks that have a bullish trend following scan today. Now these 21 stocks are ranked for me based on best to worst from an options trading perspective. So when I'm buying call options, what it's identifying for me are the cheapest call options to purchase on this list of securities. It would used to take me hours to have to plug each one of these individual securities into an options chain, select the right strategy that I want to trade, read the analytics, and do that over for all 21 stocks in order to get this information. That could take quite a bit of time. Now I have that access to that information at my fingertips in under 2 seconds. Any strategy, any days to expiration, any time frame, we can help you do that. So if I'm looking at bullish trend following, maybe I want to sell a credit spread, and I can choose that, click on update, and now this list of 21 stocks is re-ranked for me based on which ones are going to generate the most yield selling a credit spread. So it doesn't matter how you prefer to select the securities for trading, whether you want to use one of our pre-built scans that are built for you, or if you have your own list as a chart list, you can select any of those lists and basically structure the optimal option strategy on that list of securities. And it ensures that you leave no stone unturned, meaning you've looked at every single option strategy on every single security. It is automatically ranked for you, so you know you're trading the best opportunities, and it's going to save you hours of research every single week by using this tool because it does everything in under 2 seconds. With that, I hope this is helpful in giving you understanding how you can use the OptionsPlay Strategy Explorer here at StockCharts.com to help you find the best trading strategies for options traders and saving you hours of research at the same time.